Welcome. Thank you for your interest in TurnDial. We created this overview of the CoreNexa Mobile App for smartphones because we understand the importance of staying connected when away from the office. Please check back to our YouTube channel and click subscribe for more helpful and quick videos. At the end of this demo, you should have a clear understanding of the following topics. Feel free to skip ahead to the times next to each bullet if you are looking for more clarification on a specific topic. Thank you again for your interest in TurnDial. Please email us at support@turn-dial.com with any questions or suggestions. Enjoy!
Good afternoon, folks. My name is Mike Kozak, back here with TurnDial, and today we're going to go over the CoreNexa app for the smartphone. If you have an iPhone, you can go to the Apple Store. If you have an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store. Type in CoreNexa, download the app. I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to open the app. We'll come to a screen. Welcome, sign in to get started. You can type in your username and your password. It's the same username and password that you use for the Unified Communication desktop client. Or we can sign in using that QR code that I showed you on the desktop. I'm going to sign in quickly. All right. We'll see when we open it up. We'll have our dial pad. Looks just like your iPhone dial pad. If I hit down in the bottom right-hand screen, there's three little lines. That'll take us to the menu. We'll see up top, TurnDial. We have voicemail, conference calls, recent calls, contacts, dial pad, virtual attendant, settings. So if we come up here to voicemail, I'm going to click on it. We'll have all the voicemails that were left for us, and we'll see the transcription. We can listen to them, we can call back, or we can share. If we click share, it'll pop open to our email. We can send the attachment to whoever we'd like to send that to. We come up to the top left, we have our greeting. In our greeting, we have the mailbox associated with our user. So I'm mailbox 100. I click on that. I have three options: record my busy greeting, record my name, record my unavailable greeting. If I click on unavailable, I tap anywhere to start recording. And I'll come up here, I'll save it off. Next, we have conference calls. In conference calls, you'll have what we consider conference bridges. So your administrator may have created different bridges for employees. These will show up. You can join either as an attendee, as a moderator. Typically, they come equipped with codes to enter the conference. All right. We come back out to the main screen. We have recent calls. Click on recent calls. We have all. We have missed. Up here, we have our dial pad. We have our recent calls. Come back out. We have our contacts. We have our favorites. We have our corporate. We have our local. Our local meaning our iPhone or our Android contacts. So basically our smartphone directory transferred over to our soft phone application. So you can call anybody that's in your iPhone directory, your Android directory, straight from your desk phone or your work number. Come back out, we got the dial pad. Easy enough. Come down here, we have the virtual attendant. I do not have any virtual attendants.
If he did have virtual attendants set up, it would act as a virtual receptionist that would greet your customers and route them to an available employee or a device of the employee that they were trying to reach. This feature is pretty convenient because it allows you to update your business hours, make changes to the schedule, greeting, or the routing from anywhere through the mobile app.
Come down here, we have our settings. We have inbound calling all the way at the top. I accept inbound calls via Wi-Fi and cellular, accept inbound calls via Wi-Fi, don't accept inbound calls. I'd prefer to set mine and don't accept inbound calls, but I don't think the company would allow that. You come down here again, come out. Second one on the list, we have do not disturb. When our phone is on do not disturb, nobody will be able to get a hold of us. It'll go directly into our voicemail. We'll be able to continue to make calls out, but we will not be able to receive calls. Below that, we have call forward always. Click on that. Call forward always. It's inactive. Turn it on. Destination type. We can send it to another extension. We can send it to an outside 10-digit number. We can send it to a mailbox. Below that, we have recent calls. Below that, we can change our ringtone. Below that, we have our user guide. You can come in here, tool around a little bit. There's some cool things in here in terms of the using the actual application. Come out of there, we have frequently asked questions. So any kind of question you may have, feel free to pop this open, see if any of the questions that are frequently asked match up with any of your current questions. Then we have our leave feedback. Tell us your thoughts. Let us know what you think about the app, what we can do better. All right, so that is the layout of the app. Pretty easy to use, pretty intuitive.
We hope you enjoyed that video. As always, please reach out to us at support@turn-dial.com. We'd love to hear your feedback.